How's everybody doing today? We're here to talk about the new Fat Baby Mesh Tank by Famovape. There it is. Let's dive down and check it out. When you first receive this device in its box, it looks like this. On the back, it shows you the details about this tank, what it includes and what it is. On the side, it shows you what is included. And on the other side, you have some kind of barcode in the color. So let's open it up. There's a little pull tab right here. Slides right out. You have your Fat Baby Mesh Tank user manual. Your Fat Baby Mesh Tank there. A spare glass here, an extra coil, and some extra O-rings. Now let's get into that tank. And there it is. So right off the bat, you can see this tank is smaller than most, but it is a very powerful tank in my opinion. It uses a all mesh coil. It reads at a, if I get the camera to focus, a 0.15 coil, rated between 40 watts and 100 watts, and best between 60 watts and 80 watts. So best between 60 watts and 80 watts. I have this tank myself, and I gotta say, it's pretty close to a dripper flavor. If you're into rebuildables and you want the simplicity of a tank, this is the way to go. Awesome flavor. Well, let's go into how you take it apart. You grab both metal ends of each tank, of each side of the tank, twist to the left. Top piece comes right off, glass comes right off, and there's your coil. You can see inside there it is 100% mesh. There's the coil rating again. The way you change this coil is just simply turning to the left and unscrewing it. There's the bottom piece. And it does feature bottom adjustable airflow, so if you want to pinch it here and just turn, you can adjust your airflow, whether you want it on or off. That's off. We're going to switch it to open, and that's on. The top piece of this tank comes right off with the, when you take it apart to change the coil. The glass usually sticks to it, but it stuck to the bottom this time. It's supposed to look like that. But we're going to put it back together here, and I'll show you how to fill it. It's as simple as looking for the push sign. All you got to do is push, and there it is. This drip tip is compatible. This drip tip opening here is compatible with all your 810 drip tips, goon style, double O-ring, whatever you want in there. I would recommend a short drip tip for it though, because it would look a little weird with a long one. On the bottom, it says designed by Famovape, Fat Baby Mesh Tank, Fat Baby Tank, and then your disposable option. Let's go back on top. Okay, so a couple things about this tank here. I have one myself, and in my personal opinion, I think it's one of the closest tanks you can get to a rebuildables flavor. On top of that, it holds quite a bit of juice in there. That is a bubble glass, but it also does come with that replacement glass, which is a straight. So if you don't like the bubble, you always have the straight. The coils come in a 5-pack. They're really easy to use, really simple to use. You know, I've never gotten any leaking on this tank, and it's like one of my go-to tanks for just being simple for the day, you know. I'm a rebuildable person, so when I look to a tank, I'm not big on them, but when I do, I recommend this guy. So, thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like it, subscribe to our channel, and we will see you on the next one. Mention that you saw this video, and we'll give you 15% off this device in the store. See you then.